Okay, we got Tempe Town Lakes. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not. It could. However, I hope it doesn't rain for the homeless people. As it can come down here big time. Yeah. As my brothers and sisters know well, it's not a crime to be homeless, but it is in these parks. Understandably why, you know. The air's cleaned out quite a bit. It's actually incredibly beautiful out. Incredibly beautiful out. Oh my. If I had a kayak, I'd be out in that. Things to look forward to. I'll tell you what. Getting healthy, staying healthy, losing the weight. It's a full-time freaking job. It really is. Oh, I meant to get over here while it was raining, but I didn't. And I'm sure this thing is full. And it is. We have a full pool. She is overflowing. Look at that. That is the Salt River in action. If you can't tell, I did love water. I've been down there playing in it, but it's probably illegal to play in it. Think it's trespassing. And somebody's pillow. Holy cow. And, oh my. Life-giving water. Into the ditch. Ditch is the Salt River. Oh, don't let this fool you. The mighty Salt River. When she flows, she can flow. Oh my God. My house would be gone. If you ever lose a dam, me and my house are gone. I won't feel a thing. Tempe Center for the Arts. That is one serious metal roof. Incredible work. Whole place is a work of art. I'm very impressed with it. As is the pedestrian bridge over here. God, I love water. I always wanted to hook up a swing. You know, swing on that arch and then, you know, like swing and make a video, but I don't like jail anymore. I can't stand that. It hurt like shit. At 60 years old, I am definitely not a protester. I like my, well, obviously I like my rights. Not being violated. Clearly, I think we all got that one down. You don't stand up for your rights, folks, you're gonna get them stomped on. Because there are folks out there that do not give a fuck about the law, fucking policies, or anything else. And especially not about you. Narcissists, psychopaths, you know, whatever. Call them B, whatever you want to. Oh my God. You know, my study was psychologist, but it's sort of a pseudoscience. How do you map the human? How do you map human beings? Spiritual beings, I don't know. Oh my, so this is Tempe down lakes. Oh my God, the air smells so good. So clean. The pollution's gone. Wow.